Hey guys, I'm real excited to be bringing you this review today. I went to Ross yesterday and I scored something from the Balm Cosmetics company. It's their Balmjour 5 full-size creamy lip stains. I paid $15 for them and they're normally like $35. At least that's what Ross is trying to tell me, and I kind of believe them. I just wanted to apologize that the video is going to be a little bit different. I filmed it the wrong way because I filmed it for a different app today. It's for the Super Great app. It's for people who love to review things on makeup, skincare, all the type of beauty products. Definitely recommend checking that out. It's only on the only for iPhone though, sorry guys. Anyways, just wanted to say thanks for watching my video, and if you're interested on my review for the Balmjour lip kit that I just got, and stay tuned. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Balmjour 5 full-size creamy lip stains. I'm super excited to try these out. I did kind of try one out last night. I tried out the Ni Hao color. It's a nice red color that honestly, I felt like it dried more pink than red, but I don't know. We'll see the rest. I'm excited to show you guys what these all look like on. Alright guys, we're gonna just jump right into this. This is Ni Hao. This is Ni Hao. Packaging. I love all of the Balm's packaging. This is what it looks like when you take it out. Let's just smack it on the lips. I feel like the longer you wear it though, it does turn more pink, and it kind of shows that right here, how it goes like in this lighter area. It's definitely more pink than red, but the more layers you have, the more red it looks. And I really like it. And it makes your lips feel really nice and soft. Like, I really like that. The next color I'm going to be testing out is called Aloha. Looks like a nice light pink color. So this is just a nice, like a nice natural dark pink. I really like it. Again, makes your lips feel nice and super soft. It's like a nice, I feel like this is more of a lip gloss than a lip stain, but it does have long wear. Like, I wore this, I accidentally went to bed last night and I woke up and it was still on, so this next color appears to be the lightest color in the group, and it's called Namaste. The lady that they have pictured on here does not look like she does yoga at all. I'm the worst at figuring out what colors that they are, judging off of the little packaging though. It's not really the right way to apply it, but you get the gist. I really like this color. Again, I feel like it's a nice, like, yeah, it's a little bit darker, but I feel like it works, you know. I feel like I would find myself wearing this to work every day. This next color is called Hello. Back to the whole being really bad at figuring out what colors everything is based off of the packaging. Sorry, kind of just like glumped up a lot there. I just bought a couple of Kylie cosmetic things from Ulta, and mostly because they were on sale, because I'm too cheap to really pay full price for her products. And that's not even with a lot of companies. Like, there's a lot of companies I'd like to try, but I'm just like, I don't really want to spend all of this money on it. Anyways, back to the product. I really like it. I like this color. It's very similar to the last color. I feel like it's just a little more purpley or something. We're on the last color now, and this one's called Ciao. Anyways, back to the Kylie Cosmetics thing. This one looks more pinkish than like a hot pink. Looks more like a hot pink, so I'm excited to try that. Ooh, she vibrant. But yeah, I bought a lip kit and just one of her liquid lipsticks from Ulta. And the liquid lipstick I bought, I figured it'd be like a nice mauve-y color. It's like straight up almost black, like a dark brown. I don't know how. You're so wrong on colors, but sometimes I'm right. I am. So yeah, this one is hot pink. See, I can get pinks right. Anything else I seem to be off on. Yeah, so I like that color. I really like this set. I got it from Ross for $14.99. They said that it normally retails for $35, so I think I got a pretty good deal on it. Definitely, if you guys pop into Ross or Marshall's, see something like this, definitely recommend buying it. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching me review the Balmjour 5 full-size creamy lip stains. Like I said, I definitely recommend it. I mean, you know the Balm makes some pretty bomb products. Oh god, I butchered that. So, you know, they're definitely worth checking out. And if you can get them for a cheaper deal than you normally do when you pay full price, because they are a higher end brand, they do charge a little bit more, but they do seem to be worth it. You definitely want to jump on that. So I did. Anyways, thanks again for watching and stay tuned for the next video.